Hello guys, welcome back to this module 4, state-of-the-art tracker. Okay, um, as mentioned in the previous modules, right, doing the correct CPA tracking, this is a big difference between a normal affiliate and a super affiliate. Okay, almost all the affiliates know much of the details about the traffic, and that's how people can optimize a campaign based on usage of a tracker, based on the acquisition of the key information from a tracker that can adjust different settings of the traffic, different settings of the parameters of the campaign, so that the CPA campaign can be profitable. This is a part that a lot of newbies are very afraid of doing this, but once you are familiar with this, or once you get used to how to employ a good tracker to work for you, and then you will see that your campaign will be under control. This is also a very powerful part of CPA marketing, right? Um, so split testing is the art of CPA marketing. If you are not doing any split testing, or you are just doing direct linking from traffic to your offer, right? So you're putting a lot of money on the table, right? Just from this image, you can see that. So by doing this split testing, it's also called A/B testing, right? So 54%, right, is beating this 46% upon the parameters, and that's what the tracker will do. Okay, so basically on this market, we have two kinds of very good tracker. Okay, but there's also some other trackers can finish or can do this job for us, but for these two kinds of tracker is affordable. I mean, the price is not so expensive, and also the functions are really, there's so many functions that can track almost all the information about your traffic, right? This is very good enough for us to employ these kind of trackers to work for us to track our traffic, right? As mentioned in session 3, right, we are going to play with paid traffic from Bing, right? We will use either forum or CPVlab to track all the information about the traffic details about uh, the clicks from Bing, right? So based on okay, so based on what okay, so so split testing is the art of CPA marketing. We will use either CPVlab or forum. And how you separate yourself from a newbie to a super affiliate, right? Because we will use a tracking tool, right, to get all the details about our traffic. Okay, I will just give you one example of CPVlab, right? So CPVlab, you can see that this is the main, this is the login, the options that you can choose what kind of campaigns you are trying to use, right? So for basically for PPC marketing, usually we send the traffic to a landing page, right? And then from a landing page to your offer, right? This means there will be a landing page in between our traffic and our offer, right? So basically, we will mainly use direct. This is directly, but it's not really because this is a landing page here. So we mainly use this landing page, this kind of tracking method, or we use different multiple paths. Okay, I will explain to you. For this landing page, this is usually used for uh, tracking those offers, right, or clicks with only one landing page, right? Because there will not be many variations, right? You can use one style of landing page, but you can vary the offers, right? Or you can use the same offer and you vary the landing pages, but basically one landing page and one offer. Okay, so basically for this option, but for this multi-pass option, this one you can see that there are different paths. This means uh, you can do something like this, right? You can use landing page A to promote offer A, right? You can use landing page B to promote offer A. You can use landing page C to also promote offer A. So you will have 3 paths, right? So because your offer is fixed, then you are split testing the conversion rate of your landing page, right? So by getting the results, you will know which offer, which landing page is converting the best, so that you will clear the losers and maintain the winners, right? And then you will have one winner of this landing page, right? Then you are going to split uh, the landing page with 3 offers, right? You will use landing page A to promote offer A, landing page A to promote landing page offer B, landing page A to promote offer C. Okay, there will be 3 offers, right? You are rotating these 3 offers with the same landing page, so that you will have the idea and the data about a conversion rate of your offers. Finally, you will combine the winners of the landing page and also the offers, right? So this will be the best combination for your conversions, and that's how you make the maximum money out of CPA campaign, by employing traffic in between, uh, by employing tracker in between. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so regarding what kind of details for a traffic, and also what kind of stuff the tracker will track for you, is about the traffic token, right? So if you don't know what token is, I will tell you. I will also use CPVlab to explain to you. So this is the traffic source from CPVlab. You can see that there are many traffic source that is already used as template, will be tracked with by CPVlab. So as the traffic will from bin, okay, I will use this bin option here. So let's click the edit and check what the tokens are. Okay, so append token. So you see this token is to track the keywords, right? For each click, this token or this sub ID will record what kind of keywords people searched, right? People search on search engine, and then this kind of keywords will trigger the ads. The ads will show up, and then people click on the ads, and then this click will be recorded by CPVlab, so that this sub ID will know what kind of keywords this click have done. Okay. Um, Also here you can see, because you will rotate several ads on your bin ads dashboard, right? For each of the sub ID, this sub ID will also record from which ad which is triggered by a certain keywords, which is searched by the customer on bin search engine, right? So this sub ID, this token is called ad token, will also be recorded with this sub ID. So beside this, because for the bin advertising, for the keywords, for query, and also match type, these are also very important, right? Because this match type can be broad match, exact match, and phrase match. And also query. Query is something that you ask search engine, right? For example, if you want to look for a certain kind of skincare cream, you can say best skincare products, or best skincare cream, or anti-aging skincare cream, or #1 cream. Okay, so this is called the query, because you are asking the search engine, right? And then this sub ID will also record this query, right? So that you will have so that you can record all these queries, because the query will be different compared to keywords. For both the query and the keywords, these are recorded by CPVlab, and this converting query, and this is called money keywords, because people use this keyword and then trigger your ads and then make the conversion. So so on CPVlab, there is one called conversion list. Conversion list will track all the information about the query and also match type, right? And then these are very This can be a treasure, right? You spend money on this campaign. Once your conversion is coming more and more, and then you will build up your conversion list, right? Conversion list is your treasure because you really tested this campaign, and the conversion list is the money keywords which can really bring you the profit. So the conversion list is the very important stuff for your CPVlab. Okay, so the tokens, let's say the tokens are the stuff that which I just now explained to you, is the kind of detailed information the CPVlab will record from your traffic source, right? So that you will use a traffic source to analyze these split testing results, and you will maintain the winner and then you kill the losers. This is how the split testing works. Okay, um, so okay, just show you a funny image. Okay, get my own money making website. Okay, keeping all the profits. Yes, you should do this because once you know the power of a tracking tool, you know the details about your tracker, right? You will know the very detailed information about how you bring your negative campaign to a positive campaign with positive profits, and this is how you get everything together to make profit out of CPA and how to get everything into control. This is the very important thing, right? So actually, when everything is set up with this kind of PPC marketing for CPA promotions, when everything is set up, daily you only need to analyze your CPVlab, right? For being as dashboard, you sometimes even no need to log in, right? It's something like an automatic pilot to make to print the money for you, right? Just stick to this method and you will see the benefits of this. And for this session, the most important thing is about the tracker, right? Separate yourself from those normal guys, okay? We need to figure this out, right? You need to figure this out. Once you know the power of employing a tracking tool to analyze the details of your traffic, that's already a great point. That's already a great success for your online marketing career. Okay, so good luck with this. Okay, the earlier you get familiar with this, and the better success you will have. And that's all for this session. And I think in next session we are going to talk about the campaign settings and optimizations. I will talk about the main demographics and also the settings that which is important for you to get positive profits from your CPA campaigns. Okay, let's see each other in the next session.